Hey everyone, welcome back to the Chanel IQ Cars 2.0. Today we are diving into the Renault Captur. Has always been a popular choice in the compact SUV segment, and for 2025, Renault has taken things up a notch. This latest model brings a refined design, improved technology, and a range of efficient powertrain options, making it a strong contender in an increasingly competitive market. Whether you are looking for a stylish urban cruiser or a versatile family car, the new Captur aims to meet a variety of needs. The first thing that stands out about the 2025 Renault Captur is its updated exterior. Renault has retained the bold styling that made the Captur a success while refining it for a more premium and modern appeal. The front grille is now wider, giving the car a stronger and more confident presence on the road. The C-shaped LED headlights have been redesigned for a sharper, more aggressive look, improving both aesthetics and visibility during night driving. The sculpted hood and dynamic body lines enhance its sporty appeal, making it one of the best-looking compact SUVs in its class. Another standout feature of the Captur is the availability of two-tone color options. Buyers can mix and match different roof and body colors, allowing for a level of personalization not commonly found in this segment. This adds a youthful and stylish touch, appealing to a wide range of customers. On the side profile, the Captur rides on new 18-inch alloy wheels that not only enhance its design but also provide better grip and stability on the road. Renault has also slightly increased the ground clearance, maintaining its SUV character while ensuring a smooth ride over rough city streets and uneven terrains. Moving to the rear, the 2025 Captur features a redesigned bumper and sleeker LED taillights that stretch towards the center of the tailgate. This design gives the car a more planted and wide stance, adding to its road presence. Renault has also made aerodynamic improvements, reducing wind noise and increasing efficiency. These subtle changes contribute to an overall premium feel, making the Captur more appealing than ever. Stepping inside, Renault has made significant upgrades to the Captur's cabin. The interior now feels more upscale with a focus on technology and comfort. The dashboard layout is clean and modern, featuring soft-touch materials and a driver-centric design. A key highlight of the cabin is the large, vertically oriented 10-inch infotainment touchscreen, which comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system has been improved for 2025, offering a more responsive user experience with a faster processor and a more intuitive interface. The infotainment system also supports over-the-air updates, ensuring that the software remains up to date with the latest features. Another impressive addition is the fully digital 10.25-inch driver's display, which replaces traditional analog dials. This high-resolution screen provides real-time driving data, navigation instructions, and customizable layouts to suit the driver's preferences. The cabin also benefits from ambient lighting, creating a pleasant atmosphere during night drives. Renault has clearly focused on making the Captur's interior a more inviting and high-tech space. Comfort is another area where the 2025 Captur excels. The seats are well padded and ergonomically designed to provide excellent support for both short city commutes and long highway drives. Higher trims offer leather upholstery and electric seat adjustments, adding a touch of luxury to the cabin. The rear seats have ample legroom, and Renault has included a reclining function to improve passenger comfort on long trips. The panoramic sunroof, available on select models, enhances the sense of space by allowing natural light to fill the cabin. Practicality has also been improved, making the Captur a great choice for families and those who need extra storage space. The compact SUV offers a class-leading boot capacity of around 536 liters, which is impressive for its size. The rear seats can be folded down in a 60/40 split, expanding the cargo space significantly and allowing for the transportation of larger items. Renault has also added several smart storage solutions throughout the cabin, including larger door bins, a redesigned center console with extra compartments, and a wireless charging pad for smartphones. Under the hood, Renault offers multiple powertrain options to cater to different driving preferences and market demands. The base engine is a turbocharged 1.0-liter three-cylinder unit, producing around 100 horsepower. This engine is designed for efficiency and is ideal for city driving. For those looking for more power, Renault offers a 1.3-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering between 140 and 160 horsepower. This engine provides a more spirited driving experience, making the Captur feel more responsive on highways and during overtaking maneuvers. Both engines can be paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, giving buyers flexibility based on their driving style. One of the biggest updates for 2025 is the introduction of Renault's hybrid powertrains. The Captur E-Tech Hybrid features a 1.6-liter petrol engine combined with an electric motor and a small battery pack, delivering a total output of around 145 horsepower. This hybrid system is designed for improved fuel efficiency, making it an excellent choice for urban driving and stop-and-go traffic conditions. Renault has also introduced a plug-in hybrid variant, the Captur E-Tech Plug-in Hybrid, which offers an all-electric driving range of up to 50 kilometers. This model is perfect for those who want to reduce their carbon footprint without fully committing to an electric vehicle. Driving dynamics have also been refined for the 2025 model. The Captur's suspension has been tuned for better ride quality, absorbing road imperfections with ease. The steering is precise, offering good feedback to the driver, making the Captur enjoyable to drive in both city and highway conditions. Renault has also worked on